Welcome to OFAR. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you on how to assemble the Idanas 4-drawer chest from IKEA. For this build, you need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a hammer, a pencil, a 5/16" drill bit, and an Allen key that IKEA gives you. You can also use a drill with a Phillips or positive drive bit to speed up the assembly process. Before you start, I would also recommend keeping all the bits and pieces in their intended bags, as mixing them up will cause more confusion. So the first step is to grab these two panels and put them into this orientation. Just make sure the grooves are facing inwards, and these pairs of holes that I pointed to are in this position. Next, grab 4 left drawer slides that should be marked with an L, and 8 of these small screws from bag 1. Then place the drawer slides on like this, and secure each drawer slide with 2 screws. The screws are going to be screwed into these holes. Now grab 4 right drawer slides that should be marked with an R, and 8 of these screws. Then place the drawer slides on like this, and secure each drawer slide with 2 screws. The screws are going to be screwed into these holes. Next, grab 12 of these screws and screw them into these 12 holes. The end product should look something like this. Now grab this piece and put in this orientation. Also grab 2 dowels and hammer them into these 2 holes. Then attach this piece as shown. Now grab 5 of these pieces and put them into this orientation. Also grab 10 dowels and hammer them into these 10 holes. Next, attach each piece like this. Now grab 6 of these fasteners and secure them into these 6 holes. Then connect the other side piece as shown. Next, grab 6 fasteners and secure them into these 6 holes. Now flip the structure over like this. Next, grab the top panel and put it in this orientation. Then attach it as shown. It was difficult to show you on camera, but you pretty much insert the plastic knobs into the holes of the top panel. Then you press down to fully secure the top panel. Now flip the structure like this. Then bring in the backing and make sure it's in this orientation. Then slide it into the grooves as shown. Now grab 4 plastic caps and pins from bag 2 and insert them into these 4 holes. First insert the caps, then secure them with the pins. Next, grab 8 of these plastic pieces and insert them into these 8 holes. Then grab these 8 plastic pieces and secure them into the 8 plastic pieces you inserted in the prior step. Now grab these 4 leg pieces and put them into this orientation. Then connect everything as shown. Just make sure the grooves on the middle pieces are in this position. Now grab 4 dowels and hammer them into these 4 holes. Then attach the legs like this. Next, grab 4 screws and screw them into these 4 holes with the Allen key. Now grab 2 of these braces and 4 screws. Each brace will be secured with 2 screws. It's going to look something like this. Then grab 4 adjustable feet and screw them into these 4 spots. Now flip the chest onto its feet. You may need another person's help in this step. Then from the wall hardware bag, grab these 2 plastic pieces and insert them as shown. Next, grab 2 plastic caps and screw them on like this. Now put the chest against your intended wall. If your chest isn't level, you can now adjust the feet to make it so. Now I've done these next steps already in regards to securing the chest to the wall using the same hardware in another video. I'll leave a link with the timestamp in the description below if you want to see how this process is done. So now let's focus on the big drawers. Grab this folding piece and put it in this orientation. Also grab the bottom of the drawer and make sure the slightly hooked edge is in this position. Then attach everything as shown. When you're done, also flip the drawer over like this. Now bring in this piece and secure it as shown. Again, you insert the plastic knobs into the holes and push it down to fully secure it. Then grab these 3 metal pieces from bag 3 and insert them in like this. Next, flip the drawer over and grab yourself 2 knobs and screws. Then secure each knob with 1 screw. It's going to look something like this. Now repeat the same steps in regards to the big drawer and the small drawer 3 more times. The steps for the small drawer are exactly the same, it's just each piece is obviously smaller. After assembling all the drawers, attach them to the drawer slides. First, you want to pull the drawer slides out. Then this hole in the back of the drawer will be going to this spot of the drawer slide for both sides. As for the bottom hole, it will be going into this spot for both sides. It was difficult to show on camera, but hopefully you get the idea. Now check that everything opens and closes relatively smoothly, but if you followed all these steps, then you shouldn't have any issues. So you should now have a fully assembled Idanas 4-drawer chest from IKEA. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.